Good morning, everybody. A little surprise visit from the Sewing Basket this morning. We got some new things in on Friday and didn't have time to show you, so we're going to show you today. And also on Tuesday morning, I forgot to do the drawing for our December prize winners. So this is our door prize winner for December. There are two of them. One is Betsy Baltus. Congratulations, Betsy. And the other is Lisa Witchman. Congratulations, ladies. Next time you stop in, pick up your prizes, and that'll be kind of fun. I want to show you a few new things and also a couple reminders. We are moving what was Wednesday Wise Guys at 1 is going to be on Tuesday mornings now about 9. I say about 9, give or take 20-30 minutes either way, but kind of at quarter to 8, 9:15, somewhere in there. A little loosey-goosey, but that's just the way it'll be. So Tuesday morning, watch for us with a demo. And this week, Friday, which is, I should have looked at the calendar, looks like the 15th, at 3 o'clock, we're going to be doing window shopping. We've normally done those on Wednesday evenings. We're going to be moving those to Friday afternoons at 3, third Friday of the month at 3 o'clock. And this coming week, we will be doing Quilt As You Go. So it'll be a combination of demo on how to do Quilt As You Go, one of the different techniques, and show you some samples of how that's done so you can actually start doing some Quilt As You Go projects yourself. So that'll be 3 o'clock on Friday, third Friday of the month, 3 o'clock. And then we'll go to what's new. Got some beautiful new orchid fabric that came in, and a few things that coordinate with that. It's such a pretty botanical print. And then there's a matching stripe. And then just a pretty white on gray print. And a fern that goes with it. So those four are new. Really a pretty set, and those are from Northcott. Next thing we've got going is one of my favorites. I love Oriental Poppies. And this is, we're on video live, please. This is a poppy panel with the butterflies. Just a really pretty panel. And there are 3 coordinates with that. The poppy, the botanical print in red and black, and then also a lovely poppy in black and red. So a set to go along with that. Really a nice color combination, beautiful artwork. And that one is from Wilmington. And save these for last. And this is a fun little set. It is 4 different polka dots. The fun thing about these polka dots is they glow in the dark. The kids were in after school yesterday and thought that was just the best thing ever. And these sweet little frogs coordinate with the polka dots. So again, those glow in the dark. And then the last thing that came in are the sets that go with these cute little cosmetic bags. They are a June Taylor Quilt As You Go product. And you select them by color of zipper. And these zippers they call Zippity Doo Done. The way that these are made is the zipper is already attached to this fabric. This fabric opens and it just clamps over the edge, and then you stitch. So the zippers are already dressed, as they call it. So that's how those work. The zipper set and both bags come in the project kit. It's $12.99, and it works great with a fat quarter bundle. And we've got them in the navy blue zippers, gray, black, and tan. So they're just a really nice size cosmetic bag. They are lined, but the edges are trimmed with a pinking shears or a wavy blade rotary cutter. And that's how those are. We also did pick up some of the zippers. These are a 18-inch length. They are just like this, where they're ready to be put in. And we have these in a couple colors as well. So those are some new things for this week. And remember, we'll see you Tuesday morning for Weekly Wise Guys at about 9, and Friday afternoon at 3, always third Friday of the month, for window shopping and about an hour-long demo. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Hope to see you soon.